Hey, what's up guys, this is Vikas once again back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create a 4-step 3D infographics, actually a block infographics in just PowerPoint. So guys, as you can see here, I have created 4 blocks over here with the two different colors, with the two different color combinations each, and I have put some icons matching with the same color of the body of the block, as you can see here. At the bottom, I have added the detailed text over here in 2 paragraphs, and at the upper side, at the white portion, you can see I have set the titles and as well as the icons over there with the shadow effect over. Okay, so this is the second slide. Actually, these icons are downloaded from the flaticon.com. I have manipulated these icons and fill these icons with a different color as per our slide requirement or the infographics requirement in Photoshop. As I can see you, this is the Photoshop and I have manipulated as per my need. Okay, so without wasting any further time guys, let's get started how you can create this type of infographics. This is actually a 4-step infographics in just PowerPoint very easily and efficiently. So click on the insert option over here. You can see at the left side you can see the new slide option. Just click on that, and at the bottom side you can see the blank option over here. Just click on that to add a blank slide. Okay, now one more thing I want to discuss here. If you don't have any idea which type of size I'm using in this slide, then please click on the design option over here. Here you will find the slide size option. Just click on that and choose a custom slide size option. Here all the details are present about the slide size, as I'm using the width is 13 and the height is this much. And if you don't have the idea of width and height, then you can use the predefined size over here. So I'm using wide screen size, this one, in this particular presentations, or you can see the infographics. So please select this and click OK. Now I'm going to start creating the shapes. Okay, so to do that I'm going to click on insert option over here. After clicking on this insert option, you can see a shape option over here. Just click on that and choose rounded rectangle shape over here. You can see the rounded rectangle shape. Just click on that and drag a random rounded rectangle over here like this. Okay, maybe this much. Okay, now what you have to do, you just have to make it no outline. As you can see here, a blue outline is present at this shape. We don't want this outline, so what I'm going to do, I will click on the shape outline option and choose a no outline option from here. You can see as I choose the no outline option, the outline is removed from this particular shape. Okay, now right click over here on the blue shape, and here you will find the edit point option. Just click on that. As you click here, you will get 8 black dot over here. So I'm going to make changes with the left of 2 dots. Means I'm going to change it with these 2 dots to get a desired shape like this. So I'm going to put it here, and I'm going to put this dot over here. Okay, now what I'm going to do, as I click on this black dot, let me zoom it. You can see the 2 handles are present. This will happen with all black dots. Let me show you. As I click on this dot, again you will find 2 handles, 2 white handles along with the black handles. As I click on this black handles, again you will find 2 white handles over here. So I'm going to click on this black handle and I'm going to adjust it something here and put this handle something here. Okay, now it's done. The shape is done. Now what I'm going to do, I will create this white size effect over here. So to do that, what I'm going to do, I'm again going to choose a rounded rectangle option and drag it something like this, but with a different color field. So I'm going to choose a random color for this shape. So I'm going to choose a blue color, or maybe any color you can choose. The one thing you have to keep in your mind that shape outline should not be there. So I'm going to click on shape outline option and remove the outline by clicking on this option, no outline. So click on that and put this over here. Okay. Along with this shape, you can find a yellow dot over here. So just drag this yellow dot something here to make the corner more rounded. Okay. Now this much is enough. So now what I'm going to do, I'll slightly decrease the size like this. Okay. Now right click over here, again right click over the pink shape and again choose the edit point option. Now I'm going to make changes with the right top dots, two dots. So I'm going to put this dot over here and this dot something over here. Now click on this dot and put it over here. Now click on this dot and drag these dots anywhere, doesn't matter. We just want to do the changes with two dots, and rest of the dots you can drag it outside the shape. Okay, now what I'm going to do, press Ctrl A to select all these shapes. Click on format option. Here you will find merge shape option. Just click on that and choose a fragment option over here. Now we don't want this part, so I'm going to remove it. Press delete button to delete it. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the color samples from this slide to the next slide. So this is the color samples I'm going to use on these slides, the previous slide. Okay, so now we have the color samples. So before doing that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to format the background of this slide. So I'm going to right click over the slide and choose the background, format background option over here. Now I will choose, as I select the format background option, you will find a format background pane at the right side. So in this pane you can see the gradient fill option. Just click on that and it will automatically fetch the color, two colors, means light blue color for the right handle as you can see here, and the white color for the left handle from the previous slide. This slide it will automatically fetch the color. So for this shape, what I'm going to use, I'm going to white color for this shape, and for this I'm going to use pink color. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I will select all these two shapes and press Ctrl G to make a single group. And now I'm going to click on this effect option over here. You will find a 3D format option over here. Just click on that and decrease the width to 0 pt, and I'm going to increase it to something 44. And now click on 3D rotation option, and here you have to choose the preset. So I'm going to use this preset. No, this is not. Yes, we want this presets over here. So but I'm going to increase the rotations to 330. Okay, 330 is enough. And Y rotation I'm going to do something less, like I'm going to do it this much, 20. Now what I'm going to do, I will slightly increase the height because we want some more width of the block. So I'm going to increase it something 70. Okay, so now what you have to do, you just have to copy this arrow text as well as the steps. So I'm going to copy this text. I'm going to copy this. Sorry. First I'm going to ungroup it, because without ungrouping it I can't copy the elements from there. Sorry, from here. Ungroup it, copy it from here and paste it over here on this slide. So I'm going to put it over here. Okay, and now finally I'm going to copy these two shapes Control C and put it over here. One more thing you have to do here, you have to add a reflection effect over here. So what I'm going to do, I will select the main shape and click on the effect option over here, and you will see the reflection option over here. So click on the reflection option and choose a presets, like I'm going to use this one, but the distance should be less and the size should be this much. I'm going to increase the blurriness to this much and increasing the distance to this much. So this is what I am going to do. Okay, so now we're done with the shapes. Now I'm going to do what I'm going to do. I will press Ctrl G to make a group and press Ctrl D to create a duplicate copy and put it over here. Again press Ctrl D to make a duplicate copy, Ctrl D to make a duplicate copy. Now select all these shapes except these color samples and press Ctrl G to make a group. Click on Align and say Align Center. Again click on Align and say Align Middle. Now done. Right click over here and ungroup it. We won't want to group it. Okay, now fill it with a different color. So I'm going to fill this shape with this color, this shape with this color, and finally this shape with this color. Change the text. This is step 2. Step 3. This is step 4. Okay guys, now you have to replace the icons over here. So I have already provided you all the icons over here. So download these slides. I will give the description, I will give the link in the description, so go there and download all these 3 slides and use it in your own project. So the only thing you have to do to complete this infographics, 4-step infographics, actually you just have to add the icons over here. So please add the icons with the shadow effect. You can remove the shadow effect also. Let me show you. I'm removing the shadow effects and you can use the icons without shadow as per your requirement. So this is what I learned today, and that's all for today guys. If you have any query, then please write me on my WhatsApp number, personal WhatsApp numbers. I will provide in the description section as well as on the thumbnail of this video. So that's all for today. See you in the next tutorial. Till now, bye, and thank you very much for watching this video.